Okay, so I tried to film this clip in the Starbucks drive-thru, which I thought was going to be really cool, but you'll have to stay till the end of the video to watch the bloopers to see how that turned out. Saw some clients in town. I'm in town, but I don't have to go back to my office for an afternoon client. So I've been kind of using this opportunity to do a little thrifting. I'm right next to a Goodwill. It's a huge Goodwill. I've found good stuff there before, but then I'm dealing with Goodwill prices. So I'm tempted to drive all the way across town to save a few dollars per item. So if I go to this church thrift store that I like, tops are $4 instead of $6 at Goodwill. Pants are $3.75 instead of $6, and dresses are only $5.25 instead of $10. So it seems worth it to drive across town. What do you guys think? I wish you were here so you could kind of advise me. As usual, I'll take you into the store. I'll show you clips of inside the store so you can see what I'm seeing, and then I'll do a haul video and probably include some other reseller things as well. Let's go. So in this video today, we will look at clothing and hard goods, shoes, and just about everything. I'll take you along. But first, let's look at all the things that this church thrift store decided to mark up, like this Mossimo jacket for $13. That's from Target. Joy Lab sweatshirt for $15, which is also a Target brand. Let me know if this is happening at your thrift stores as well. Our job is to find the things that they did not know the brands and they did not get a chance to mark up. So we'll definitely be doing a treasure hunt. The store was very busy today. A lot of, I think, people looking for Christmas stuff. What is this here? A bag of fruit. I'm always drawn to these. Does anyone know if this stuff sells? This bag was $10. This was a box of precious moments that they had marked up to $50. This I thought was so kitschy and cute. This is a self-cleaning kitchen, it says. Make a mess, clean it yourself. And for you animal cat lovers, this was a pretty adorable piece for $11. And do you guys remember this from my last video? It's still here. Let me show you some of the stuff I did choose to take home. This is a heavyweight ceramic dish for $5. I've been looking for one of these where you can put the salsa in and the chips around it, or veggie dip. So I'm taking that for sure. Oh, friends, I had to rescue this. It was made, it's signed by Joanne, 1985. Hand-painted little duck. $3. I'll put that on my front porch. And I thought this was the most beautiful carved angel. It's made out of wood, and it's hand-painted, and it was $2.99. So that'll become part of my Christmas decor. And some stuff for Torvald's teacher. This is a Ray Dunn. It was new. And it says teacher fuel, which I thought was cute. And they only had it marked for $3. Now let's go take a look at some clothing items. This brand is really good, Rebecca Taylor. It's very expensive at stores like Nordstrom. They had this marked up to $8. And I considered it, but I just didn't know if the style would do well enough. Now this brand, memorize this tag, Cut Loose. I find this a lot because it's designed in San Francisco, but this had staining on it. I think I found a woman's collection of cut loose stuff because I did find a lot of it and I bought what was in good shape. I went back and forth about this animal sweater. It might be vintage. I looked up this brand, Angelica Val. Comps just weren't that good, but I thought it was such a cool piece, all stretchy and cropped with this, what is it, a leopard on it? I ultimately passed on it. Let me do part of the haul right here in the store with you guys. This was blue tag, so it was half off. It's J. Jill and it's a 1X. I love the embroidery on it. It's light blue, but it has this mustard color embroidery, so I only paid $1.50 for that. This is an Athleta piece in a size small. It's got the side ties that you can adjust and gather, and it's made of modal, that really soft fabric. Athleta sells great for me, so I almost always pick it up if it's in good condition. And there's the Lululemon hit. I found Lululemon pants at this store last time too. This one had a little static, so I think people might have passed on it, but I felt it and thought this might be a Lulu. So for $4, I took that one. And you know it's a good day when you're finding Lululemon, Athleta, and Eileen Fisher. And it's a size medium, and it's alpaca and silk. So this is a really quality piece. I love the teal blue color as well. And another Bolo brand, Sundance. This is an XXL. It's a fuchsia colored button down, but it has a lot of cool Sundance details. It's got some ruffling, and wait till you see the back. It's got this pleating detail in the back, so I thought that was great. This is one of my favorite finds of the day. And it is a long boho artsy trench coat. I did not recognize the brand, but I thought it was such a cool piece I can sell it on Style. Let's go back and take a look at some of the clothing. Here I am going through the dresses. And this is a really great brand, Amour Vert. They had it at $10, but comps were over 40. Here's some more stuff that they had marked up. Nude tag J. Jill in a 2X. That would normally be a definite yes, but not for $13. And here is Patagonia, otherwise known as Patagucci in the reselling community. They had it marked at $20. If I was buying that for myself or someone was buying it for personal use in a women's extra small, $20 you might pay, but not for resale because I can usually get $40 for those pre-owned. I liked these Lucky Brand sandals and they look to be in really good condition. Brown leather strappy sandals. But when I checked the price, $15, that seemed quite high to me. So we still have to look for the treasures and things that they did not mark up. This store has the best shoe section, really good brands, but they're really too expensive for resale. I loved these Zara loafers, and they're very much on trend with this chunky heel and the tassels, but those were marked at $20, so I passed on those. Let's go back to the haul because I did find some great stuff even amongst all the stuff that they marked up. This St. John blazer was marked at $20. You probably saw me post about it on Instagram. It has a fur removable collar. It's a Santana knit and it's a size 8. I'll pop up some of the comps in just a moment for you so you can see what some of these are selling for. Excuse my appearance, I've been thrifting for hours. I'm going back and forth about what to do about the St. John blazer for $20. Comps are all over. Some are selling for $250, some are selling for $30. I think it's one of these maybe long tail items where I would get it and hold out for the right buyer. It's exquisite. It's in exquisite condition, but I've had mixed luck with this brand. So let me know in the comments what you would have done. Okay, now back to the haul. This is a dress. It's a size large by Amour Vert. It's a really great brand, and guess what? That blue tag, man, it was half off, so I only paid $5, and I think I can flip it for $40.
Maybe add a left with the glove.
This is a pretty cool brand too. It's new to me. Eva Varo. It was new with tags. It was $6. It's a white stretchy spandex skirt. It's lined and it has a heavy weight. It just feels amazing. It's a new to me brand, but I figured I'd give it a shot because comps look pretty good. Let me show you that tag again in case you're out. This is a reliable brand for me. I pick it up almost every single time. The brand is XCVI, and they're very distinctive in their styles. Things usually have this fold over waist. It is not maternity. That's the comfort style that they are. And they have a lot of ruching and gathering. This is a new to me brand, Taryn de Chalice. She was a costume designer, and this is a vintage dress. It looks like a 40s dress. Comps on these, it's mixed comps, but there are a lot of them that were selling for $40 or $50, and I paid $5. This is Sundays in Brooklyn, size large. That's an Anthropologie brand. This is a long maxi dress, pinstripe, heavyweight. I was so excited that it was a large. It has an open back. I was gonna pay $10 for it because I can probably get 40 or 50, but that blue tag, they had marked it up and it was half off, so $5. I can't believe I found this, you guys. This is a designer piece by Diane von Furstenberg. It's 100% silk. It's kind of a wrap dress, which she's known for. It's a size 8, and it has the tag inside with the hologram. You want to look for the hologram tag inside to make sure it is not faked. Gorgeous piece. And this is a romper, a denim chambray romper. So cute. Look at that style with the belt and all the pleating. It's by the brand Frame. It's an extra small. Frame denim is a very expensive, trendy brand. And this, again, is a linen shift dress, a little off the shoulder number. And that's also the brand Frame, $5. And I have to show you this iron, kind of shabby chic provincial French piece I picked up for myself. Time to pack it up. I think that was a very successful trip. I am so happy with what I got. OMG friends, 2 hours later, the thrift goddesses were definitely, what's the expression, shining on me? I don't know, it was a really good thrift day. As soon as I got to the dresses and found those brands, I was like, yes, it's gonna be a good day. And those maxi dresses with the blue tags that were $10 each were only $5, so they were even less expensive than the other ones. So I'm so glad that I didn't put them away thinking 10 bucks. It's 10 bucks, I can probably sell them for 40, but now it's $5 to 40, so that's like amazing. What a great thrift trip. I even got a couple things for myself and for my family. I don't mind doing like a secondhand thrifted holiday. Do you guys? My family just expects it, like, oh yeah, she's gonna get us something from the thrift store. So thank you so much for coming with me. Let me know what you think about these brands and the things I picked up. I'd love your feedback, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Okay, I'm in the Starbucks drive-thru. I got out of work a little bit early, and I don't have an afternoon therapy client. Usually on Thursday I have an afternoon therapy client, but the last couple weeks I haven't. So this is a really bad camera angle. This thing is hard to look at to see if there's something on it. Man, those folks are blinding. Let's try that again. Let's pull up to the Starbucks. Have I mentioned to you guys before that I'm a walking blooper? Because yes, I absolutely 100% am. I'm in the Starbucks drive-thru. I keep trying to record this clip, but something happens. By the way, this is my idea of like the best day ever. I have to get my little thumb out of the camera. I was trying to film and my thumb was getting in the picture, but iced coffee and thrifting is my idea of the best day ever.